In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus bundle, so you can enjoy all three services at a discounted price. Let's get started. To subscribe to the bundle, visit the Disney Plus website or open the app and navigate to the subscription plans page. Look for the option labeled Disney Bundle and select it. This bundle includes Hulu ad-supported, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus at a reduced monthly rate. If you prefer an ad-free experience, you can upgrade Hulu to the No Ads plan for an additional fee. Follow the prompts to sign up and create accounts for each service if you haven't already. Once subscribed, you'll receive emails with instructions to activate your Hulu and ESPN Plus accounts. Download their apps or visit their websites, log in, and start streaming your favorite content. For offline viewing, download eligible shows or movies on Hulu and Disney Plus while connected to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy the Disney Plus bundle.